Welcome to Jamaica.
Bearing 270.
Enter, and backtrack into position runway 25.
Position runway 27, bearing 70.
Blue 2427 on time 14. Vacate Charlie, favor if not, Delta, contact ground 1217.
Vacate Charlie 217, JetBlue 2427.
When in position, clear for takeoff, runway 25, wind calm.
Runway 25, Spirit Wings 270. 2059 approaching V-base, runway 25.
2059 tower, continue approach for 25, wind calm.
Continue for 25.
Okay, the 2059 tower, clear to land runway 25, wind calm.
And 25, American 059.
270.16, contact Sanctuary radar, 120.8.
120.8, bearing 270, good day.
On time 19, vacate Charlie, contact ground 121 decimal 7.
217, American 2059.
Yeah?
732 RT, runway 25 approach.
2732, wind 320 degrees at 7 knots, clear to land 25.
25, American 2732.
Ready for departure?
Southwest 273.
273 behind the landing, American Boeing 738. Line up behind and wait, full length runway 25.
The landing American, line up and wait, runway 25, Southwest 273.
Japan 13, contact approach 20.8, good day.
120, contact 120.
273 to arrive at 458, vacate left on Charlie, contact ground 12 on decimal 7. Good day.
Charlie over to ground, American 2732, good.
Wind 320 degrees at 9 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 25.
Runway 25, clear for takeoff, Southwest 273.
Request 273 departure.
273 airborne time for it, contact approach 20.8, goodbye. Confirm on tower frequency.
Our frequency ready for takeoff, American 875.
American 875, wind 320 degrees at 8 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 25, full length.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25, American 875.
Southwest 292 on the RNF, 1.5 miles from direct.
Southwest 292, thanks for tower, good day, continue. Approach, runway 25.
Continue 25, 292.
One Papa Echo, thanks to tower, Roger, hold short 25.
25 for 61 Papa Echo.
November 61 Papa Echo, do you require full length? Runway 25, break, Southwest 292, reduce approach speed to minimum.
Slowing down, Southwest 292.
November 61 Papa Echo, wind 310 degrees at 8, cleared for takeoff 25. Echo, caution away from the departing Airbus 321.
We'll rotate a little over here for 1 Papa.
American 875, airborne time 54, contact approach 20.8, good day.
Good day.
Southwest 292, wind 310 degrees at 8, 925.
Clear land 25, size 292.
Papa Echo, you can now execute the Texas 3 heading. Airborne time is 56. Can contact approach at 20.8 once you are on your way to point Texas for vectors.
The Texas now and switching to departure for 61 Papa Echo.
On time, 57, vacate on Charlie, that's next left, contact ground 121, decimal 71, clear up the runway. Good day.
Left and Charlie over the ground, good day, size 292. All American 975, holding short of runway 25 on Alpha, requesting full length.
American 975, thanks to Tower, good day. Confirm fully ready to go?
We are ready to go, American 975.
Alright. Enter the runway, backtrack into position.
Clear to enter the runway, backtrack into position, American 975.
975, wind 310 degrees at 8, when in position, cleared for takeoff, runway 25.
Clear to take off, runway 25, American 975.
Airborne time 03, contact approach 20.8, have a good day.
Departure, American 975.